Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we have another video for a song cover called Promise by the Compozers, some guys from I think London, But so the concept for this one was based off a video they did. Apparently they did the video before the cover, so I was left with just the video to like come up with an idea. But main character was supposed to just come to this like stage show, I guess, and like realize that the four guys she's been ignoring were like, the performers or the stars. So that was the idea, pretty simple, and direct. So yeah. Line work, so we're gonna get into it now. As you can see, started already. Basically just drew like from images they got from set, so drawing wasn't that difficult, like in terms of finding images. They pretty much wanted themselves with their instruments, I guess each one had their little instrument that they use, the drum, the guitar and such. But yeah, line work wasn't pretty hard. Composition, the focus was them, but I didn't want to put them like in the foreground, so that's why I used this like reverse idea, like putting her in front and then having them in the background, like switching the focus, hence the composition. But yeah, line work. So yeah, I sketched their bodies first, just like get an outline of what the human feeling is like. Sketch her here. Just to get the outline out, like get the major stuff out, major shapes and major feeling of what I wanted it to feel like, in terms of like composition and stuff like that. Difficulties with the drawing, not so much, I guess. It was more like just having a lot of work to do, like to draw 4 full-on characters, Took some time, but yeah, not so bad, Not so bad at all. But yeah, drawing them that small, because like drawing faces small, I don't know, it's like it has a whole lot more difficulty to what you're doing. But yeah, so getting used to that little process. You're gonna see the colors like flashing out here, because I actually started like experimenting with the colors from early, The whole idea was like a stage show, so I wanted to give more like vibrant colors, vibrant popping colors, neon colors. So at first I was going with this vibrant pink. They didn't like it at first, but at the end they turned out that they liked it, because I end up, after like switching a few, you're gonna see me like switching through a few of them here. One little detail I forgot to talk about was like the spotlights. I added those like just to give the whole idea of the stage show, like a concert feel, to give it more like a more vibesy scene, I guess. But here you can see like me switching out from the vibrant pink I wanted. I made the spotlights vibrant pink at first, but then I decided to like switch it up a bit, give some variation to the whole feeling. I didn't want to just have this pink feeling. Not so, I don't want to say girly, but not so like plush in a sense. But yeah, so you're gonna see me here switching out like a lot of colors. Like I really went in and like messed with a lot of moods. Purple gave me more like a night feeling. The black gave me more this menacing feeling. I used neon green because, like I said, I wanted it to feel very vibesy, almost very pop art-ish. I don't know. But the song gave me that vibe also. I'm gonna like put the link in bio so you can check that out after. But yeah, so it was just like having the highlights on the clothes, pretty much, just to add some three-dimensional feeling to the clothes. But this was more like the bulk of the work was in like colors and like choosing the colors that would work well with the background and the outfits, and like so they would still stand out and the background would be clashing. So that's why I went to this like, black, because I realized, I don't know, like sometimes you draw stuff and you don't mean to draw it, but like you do something and it turns out amazing, So like after I realized that like the whole effect I drew, like a wave or something moving outward, after I switched it to black, I realized that it gave like this like very nice feeling, like the purple, the pink was like this aura around them, like superpowers, like and it felt really nice, and that's why I went ahead and like I added, I don't know if you've seen like the green now, like coming from the guitars, almost like to give this superpower feeling, But yeah, that's where the bulk of color work came in. But yeah, so you know the usual background, like my use of gradients for like backgrounds, something I really like, gives this like sunset feeling, reminds me of home, so that's why I chose those colors. And I guess it made the character stand out now with their like beautiful pink and nice blue that they had in there. But yeah, I didn't use Illustrator for this one, so I don't know if you're gonna realize a little bit more rough texture. I'm kind of moving outside of like using Illustrator, so I don't know if you're gonna realize like a lot of my pieces now are gonna be more like how to say, rough, you know, in a sense, or have like a very serious texture to it. Actually wanted this whole texture feeling initially. I just didn't know how to get it. I was like stuck on Illustrator for a minute. But you know, you live and learn, you move out of stuff. So yeah, like a full on 3 days. But yeah, so these are like some clients from UK, so shout out to them. The Compozers, you can check them out on YouTube and Instagram. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're trying to get better at these videos. You know, anxiety hits you at times. It's a natural thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I think that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe, please. Leave any comments, questions. Yeah, and check out the website, link below. Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye.